Hi everyone. Right, while we've been off, there's been quite a few birthdays while we've been off. Little ones and mums and dads. So just want to say happy birthday to everybody who's had their birthday while we haven't been here. When we come back, we'll have to do a little party for everyone so we can celebrate everybody's birthday that's been missed. So happy birthday, whoever's had a birthday while we haven't been here. So first story today, Peppa Pig, busy. Peppa and George are brushing their teeth. They're wondering what to do today. See how they're brushing their teeth? It's really important that you brush your teeth. Mummy Pig is busy. She has lots of important work to do on her computer. That's what we've all been doing, isn't it? With all our schoolwork. Daddy Pig is busy putting up a picture. He is going to do it properly. This will take a long time. He's hammering the nail in. He's got all his tools in the box. Oh, look, it's a picture of Peppa and George. He's going to be putting them up on the wall. I wonder if there's pictures up on the wall of you. Grandpa Pig is busy in his garden. He has all sorts of jobs to do. Oh, look, it looks like he's planting some seeds. Peppa and George are watching him. Mr. Bull and his friends are busy digging up the road. Wow, they work hard all day. What about Peppa and George? They're busy having fun. Now make sure you all have fun as well. That's the end of busy, busy, busy.